So good morning. Today our topic is divisibility rules. My name is Rudraksh and I will be teaching you today divisibility rules. What is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule is a short process of finding given number is divisible by another number without actually dividing the number. That means if we have a number, we do not need to divide it to find it that if this number is divisible by another. We can, if we know the divisibility rules, we can find them without the proper long division. For example, if we have a number 1 2 3 4 3 2 4 3 and we have to find if this number is divisible by 2 or not, we do not need to divide it. If we know the divisibility rule of 2, we can find it how our answer would come. Divisibility rule of 2. A number is said to be divisible by 2 if the last digit or the unit place of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is even number. For example, if a number is 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4 is divisible by 2 because unit digit is 4 and so the number is divisible by 2. Let us take one more example. 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 5 is not divisible by 2 as unit digit is 5 and 5 is an odd number. Divisibility rule of 3. A number is said to be divisible by 3 when sum of all digits in the number should be divisible by 3. For example, 1, 2, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 is divisible by 3 as 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 27 and 27 is divisible by 3. Let us take one more example. 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1 is not divisible by 3 as 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 26 and it is not divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. A number is said to be divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. For example, 116,380. Here the last two numbers are 80. As we know, 4 into 20 is equal to 80 and thus the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. A number is said to be divisible by 5 when the last digit is either 5 or 0. For example, 8652905. Here the last digit is 5. Thus this number is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 6. A number is said to be divisible by 6 when it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 1000062. By 2 as last digit is even, so it is divisible by 2. By 3 if we do, so 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 9. Hence, it is divisible by 3. Thus, this number is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 7. A number is said to be divisible by 7 when twice of the unit digit subtracted by the rest of the number is divisible by 7. For example, 1008. So if we take the unit digit, it is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Now if we subtract 100 minus 16, our answer is 84. We take 100 here because we will remove it, because 8 into 2 is 16, so we will not consider it. Now 100 minus 16 is 84. Now the last digit is 4, so 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0 and 0 is divisible by 7, that is 7 into 0 is 0. Thus this number is also divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 8. A number is said to be divisible by 8 when the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. For example, 100240. As we know, 8 into 30 is 240. Thus, this number is divisible by 8. As we know that 27 is a multiple of 9. Thus, this number is divisible by 9. As we know that 27 is a multiple of 9. Thus, this number is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. A number is said to be divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. For example, 104560. Here the last or unit digit is 0. Thus, this number is also divisible by 10. Divisibility rule of 11. A number is said to be divisible by 11 when the difference between sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers is multiple of 11. For example, 1111. Here odd places. So here we have 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And even places. Here also we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we will subtract. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. And 11 into 0 is 0. Thus this number is divisible by 11. Thank you. This presentation is by Adhyan Club. Please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.